Okay, let's turn it on. Turn the lights off. Aww. Look at the night light in my love bug. So cute. Whoa. Aww. Adorable. Mick made this with a 3D printer. It's printed on blue filament. But is the blue optimal or white?
This works really good.
It does work really good.
Sure, any light color would be fine.
If you want them, they're $20 plus shipping I imagine, and you can put any picture that you want on there. So you can message me, or you can email me at arrow.angie@yahoo.ca.